Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday. Bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I have an unboxing. Yes, and you like, okay, Miss Tamika, what did you buy now? So if you're here to see what's in this here box, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and click on that subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into this here unboxing. I did already peek in this here box, so this is not a true unboxing. I did already peek. So as you can see, it's a little something from Louis Vuitton. You're like, Miss Tamika, what did you get? Show you. So here in the inside is return labels, information, and that I always write a little note to myself. And what did I write to myself? I wrote Merry Christmas for when this video goes up. Anything I buy from now on will be considered Christmas, but I probably won't be saving it for Christmas. I'll probably just put the empty boxes under the tree. Likely I will use the things, because you know, when you purchase stuff like this, you want to check it out and make sure everything is everything. Because you know what, I don't really know the return policy when it comes to luxury during the holiday. That's something I need to look into. In case you do purchase this as a gift, how do that work? So that's something I need to look into. But anyway, something small. And so here is the cute little box, and as you know, it pulls out like a little drawer. So as you can see, it is a SLG. I purchased myself this here Louis Vuitton card case, and the reason why I purchased this here card case, things hanging from the side, and I thought this was so cute because I purchased the YSL card case, and I saw this and I was like, okay, let me see which one I would prefer to keep. The YSL. So I purchased this because, you know, I just wanted to see it in person. So cute, you all. Like, so cute. And it's like a pink and brown with the gold hardware. Really heavy well, not heavy, but it feels nice. Like, it don't feel like hollow or cheap. Honestly, it was because of the little hanging accessories. That's why I ended up purchasing this, because I like the YSL, but when I saw this, I was like, I want to keep both, of course, but I just wanted to purchase this to see this in person, because like I said, I just didn't feel like going down to Lenox Mall to look at the item in person. Item is made in, I can't even see that. Item is made in Paris, and here is the little cards that it comes with, the model number, and then the Louis Vuitton card. Here it has a total of 4 card slots. Here in the middle, what I'm about to do is, right now I am currently carrying my Chanel wallet, so I am going to put a few of my cards in here so y'all can see how this looks with your cards. And set of cards I would carry in here, but for the sake of the video, I'm just placing cards in here that won't show like a lot of my personal information. As of right now, I did fill each slot with 1 card each. May be able to put 2 cards in a slot, but for me, I probably most likely will put them in the middle. So for me, I won't double the card slots, but as you can see, it's a total of 4. And in the middle, I'm gonna just grab maybe like a good 4 cards. I have a total of 4 extra cards, so we're gonna place them here in the middle just so we can see how that works. So placing 4 cards in the middle, it was a little tight, but they are able to fit. In the middle most likely would be the cards that I wouldn't have to reach for as much, and the cards here in the front would be where I would place the cards that I'm always reaching for. Yeah, it is tight. 4 cards in here is really tight. to get a card out. So to make it comfortable, 3 cards would be the max. You can put 4 in here, but in order for you to like maneuver the cards in and out without having an issue, 3 would probably be the max. It is a little bulky now with the cards in here, so I don't know, y'all. Decide. But yeah, so it's a total of 4. It's a total of 7 cards in here. Here do come in the leather version that has the little charms on the side. That was a little more, so I don't know. I'm gonna see what's the price difference, because I feel like the leather one, I don't know, will probably suit me a little better, being honest. This is cute, but I don't know. I just like the charms on the side, but I feel like the leather one would be a lot better. So I'm gonna look at the leather version of this just to see the difference in price, because if it's not that much of a difference, I can just take this in and just pay the difference and switch it out. The difference is I'll have to pay Atlanta taxes versus mine, because like I said before, my taxes is a lot cheaper than Atlanta. Yeah, this is a cute card case. If y'all have this card case, let me know down below. We'll have issues with glazing, because as you can see, the glazing is nice and thick from corner to corner. I will say I was a little concerned about the stitching on the back. If you can see, like right here, let me see if I bring it up close. I'm not sure if you can see how that stitching look right there. So I was a little concerned about that, because it looks different than the stitching on this side. Like it looks seamless on this side versus this one. I don't know, that just looked janky to me for some reason. But I don't know, it could just be me. But it do, you know what, looking at this side versus that side, it do look really different. I don't know, y'all, but it is cute. I just wanted to let you know it is cute, because like I said, whatever I decide to do, I still like to do my unboxings here on this channel, because besides that, this here is a really cute card case. I have to play with this a little more. Just the, you know, the stitching is what's really throwing me off. It's because it's the back of the card case that it looks a little janky, because I feel like both sides should look like this, regardless if it's front or back. So I'm not sure. Go into a store to look at a few other card cases just to see if they all look the same, because if that's how they made, then that's one thing. But if it's not, I don't want a janky card case. Like, I just don't. Because like I said, I'm just trying to see if you can see right here. Like, see how the stitching, and I just feel like I don't want to have to like deal with the stitching issue. Now the difference with this and the YSL, you know, the YSL is all leather. Now that's one thing I do like about the YSL, because it's all leather. This here is not leather at all. This is all canvas. I was just like, maybe I need to invest in the leather one. I said this was the selling point for me, was the little charms. Now the leather one do cost a little more than the YSL, so I just have to like figure out which one. So I don't know, y'all. Cute. So let me know your thoughts down below. Like I said, it could be just this could be how the card case is made, and it's just me. But just looking at it, it just look, yeah, this thread is driving me crazy, because looking at this side, and then when you turn it around to this side, it just looks janky. So with that being said, you all, I just wanted to get on here really quick to share my purchase, my newest purchase. Come yesterday, just got around to filming a video because I just got off of work. That's why I'm dressed like this, because I wore my hat. Over here it's like up Christmas stuff, because my tree is already up, as y'all already know. You know what, since my makeup still is intact, let me go ahead and film this video. I'm not sure about this, you all. I'm not sure. It's cute, but I just think it's more so the stitching that's throwing me off. Purchase my things, I like it to be 100%, not 60, not 70, but 100%. Throwing me off at the moment, so Like I said, I probably go online and look at the leather card case like that just to see the difference in price. If you decide to upgrade to the leather, of course I will let you all know. So with that being said, if you enjoyed this really quick unboxing, please give this video a big thumbs up because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so you could be what? Notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.